In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI dance clone video using a trending dance clip and simple AI tools. Even if you're a beginner, you can easily follow this method and get professional-looking results. First, download a short vertical dance clip of the Chicory Chicory dance. Make sure the video is clear, properly framed, and short in length. This video will be used as the base for cloning, so better quality will give you better results. Once the video is downloaded, keep it ready. Now open Nano Banana and generate an AI image. While generating the image, select a 9:16 aspect ratio, choose a full body shot, and make sure the face is clearly visible. The character should be facing forward with a clean look. Also, ensure the image file size is less than 5 megabytes. After the image is generated, download it because this image will be used as the dancing character. Next, go to WAN 2.6 and open the avatar section. Here, select the character swap option. In the video section, upload the dance clip you downloaded earlier. In the character section, upload the AI image you created using Nano Banana. Once both files are uploaded correctly, click on the Submit button. Now wait for a few seconds while WAN 2.6 processes the video. After the processing is complete, you'll see your AI clone dance video generated automatically, where the character performs the same dance moves as the original clip. Open CapCut and import the generated video. Do simple edits like trimming unnecessary parts, adjusting brightness and sharpness, and adding background music if required. Once everything looks good, export the video in high quality. And that's it. Your AI dance clone video is now ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more AI video creation tutorials.